Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Let's talk lawn repair. So during the course of the year, you may have parts of your lawn which just don't look that good, or you have a lot of weeds. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to repair small patches of your lawn. This will not work if your entire lawn is weeds or you need to put in a new lawn. If you have a pretty good lawn, as we do here, but you have some patches of weeds or an undesirable grass, this will help you thicken it up and repair those areas. So the first thing I like to do is get a good quality soil, and I'm actually using a lawn repair soil today. I take that soil, I mix 10 pounds of it, roughly, with a cup of seed. And the grass seed that you use should be local to your area. So if it's spring, you want to use more of a spring mix for wherever you're living. If it's fall, a good fall mix works. Fall is actually the best time to do this, but you can do it in the spring as long as you keep everything watered. Once you create your seed mixture, there's a couple of important tips that I need to talk about. Number one, you just don't want to throw this down on top of a bare spot that has old dead grass. It just will prevent the germination from occurring evenly. So if you have a spot like this, one thing you can do is just take a small tool and clear the old grass away, and now you have a nice fresh area, loosen the soil, and now you can put that mix we talked about right in there. Another thing you can do if you have a little area with some weeds, you can pull up the weeds by hand, you can throw down this mixture, keep it evenly moist, and you'll get the grass to start growing. So a few things you don't want to do. Number one, you don't want to spray chemicals and then put the seed down because the chemicals can affect the seed. Number two, you also don't want to let this dry out. It needs to be kept evenly moist until it germinates. Also, don't walk on it until the grass gets to be 3 or 4 inches high. You can see this little area here we repaired just a couple of weeks ago. It's already got some new grass, but we're not walking on it. I usually wait until the grass is about 4 inches high before I start mowing it. That may be a little bit long for some of you. However, I find that the grass is, at least at that point, strong enough to withstand the wheels of the mower and the blades of the mower without ripping it out. If you've been frustrated by your lawn over the past few years, this is a good way to thicken it up and make it look a little bit more even. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.